Welcome to the Maricopa County Library District. This quick video will tell you a bit about our libraries and the system we utilize for cataloging and organizing our print materials. If you're seeing this, thank you for being a new card holder. One of our goals is to serve as much of Maricopa County as we can, so getting a card helps us reach our goals. Now let us tell you a little bit about how you'll find a book if you're browsing in any one of our 15 branch locations. In 2007, the Perry Library opened in Gilbert, Arizona, using a shelving and cataloging system we called Dewey Lists. Perry would be our first Dewey Decimal System free library, with our other branches following shortly after. Dewey Lists became ShelfLogic, as named by one of our library staff, and we've been shelving and cataloging this way ever since. So what is ShelfLogic, and how do you use it? If you're familiar with the Dewey Decimal System, you know that Dewey is organized by assigning a number to a genre. Do you remember the Dewey Decimal System number for your favorite cookbook? It can be difficult to know where a book falls in the system if you're not familiar with the Dewey Decimal System or have it memorized. Our system is called ShelfLogic because we hope that it is just that. You get to the shelf, and the organization of books is logical. Looking for mystery books? Head to the mystery section. Need a recipe for dinner tonight? Find plenty in the cookbooks. Our nonfiction features subject headings that make sense with what you're looking for. From art books to travel guides and everything in between, your next read should fall into a category that makes sense with the content of the book. If you're looking for fiction, books are organized by genre, then author's last name, with the exception of some titles that fall under their series name. If you know what you're looking for, but you aren't sure where it would live in our shelves, ask one of our knowledgeable staff. We spend our days in these stacks and have become experts in ShelfLogic. If you're searching our catalog, you'll find a call number as the first line below the title of a book. The first word tells you what genre to look for, followed by the author's name. Fic tells you that it's a fiction piece. Similarly laid out, a nonfiction book will simply feature its subject heading. If you're ever unsure if something is a fiction or nonfiction title, remember to look for that fic at the end of the call number. If you still have questions about looking for a book, reach out to us. Our library staff are ready to answer any questions you have about finding a book and using ShelfLogic. You can reach out to us on our website, MCLDAZ.org, give us a call at 602-652-3000, or find us on social media. Thank you again for being a card holder, and we look forward to providing you with your next read soon.